Good afternoon, children. Now we are continuing our next topic. This is income and other goals. Okay, people have different desire. They have different goals apart from income. Okay, so we will see in that what people desires or regular work. It means people want that their work will be on regular basis and they want better wages whatever they are getting in present, and farmers want decent price for their crops or other products what they produce. Okay, so besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. They resent discrimination. Okay, so all these are important goals apart from incomes. In fact, in some cases, these may be more important than more income or more consumptions, because materials goods are not all that you need to live. It means apart from that, people want more things, money or material things that one can buy with it. Okay, by the money people can purchase, people can buy everything, but it is one factor on which our life depends. But the equality of our life also depends on non material things. So it is not obvious. Then just think of you role of your friends in your life. You may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot of our lives. So they are often ignored. However, it will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. So similarly, we will see that for development, people look at a mix of goals. Okay. Next, we will see national development. Okay. So national development, we will see our next point, national development. Okay. So by the national development, what do you mean? National development means we will see that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notion of a country's development. Okay, as we have seen, individuals seek different goals. Every person have their different goals. Then their notion of national development is also like to be different. Mean national development related to our country's economy. Okay, so we will discuss that you would find that different students in the class have given different answer to the question. Suppose teacher has asked a question and children have different answers, right? Same question but answer they will give in different way. In fact, you might yourself think of many different answers and not to be too sure of any of these. So it is very important to keep in mind that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notion of a country's development. Okay, so what we have seen in this topic, however, can all the ideas be